Today we'll talk about how can you enable drive mode on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. It's going to take you to this list here. Click here on color ID, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, come here to drive mode, just click in this sign. So I have no car here to enable it. So but if you connect with your car, just come here to drive mode, click in this sign, then it's going to enable with you here, and here can you choose Bluetooth. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,